Okay guys, this video is going to tell you what to do on Thursday, February 28th. So you're going to need Google Classroom open. Under the assignment for today, you will see this video, and then you will also see a Google Doc that you'll need in order to build a program we're going to use. So each one of you will see this Compass program show up underneath there as well. You're going to be building that in a few minutes. You're also going to want Make Code Open and mypltw.org. Okay. On mypltw.org, we're still on Activity 2.1, and I would like for you to scroll down to where you see Compass and Accelerometer. And what you're going to do is read this information, okay, about the compass and the accelerometer. You do not have to watch this video. You can if you want to. If you have earbuds with you, that's fine. And then you're going to come down here on number 18. They're wanting you to complete two projects. The first one's called Compass, or actually rock, paper, scissors. They have you do first, and then Compass. Okay. So after they did the update on Make Code, they took Compass out of the project section. So that's why I made you a Google Doc with the code on it so you would know what to create. So you will still be creating these two files. Okay. So when you go to Make Code, to do the rock, paper, scissors one, it's going to be down here on Games, and this works like a tutorial. So you'll work through it just like we did the flashing hearts and dice and that kind of thing that we did. So you'll do rock, paper, scissors. Then you want to make sure you save the way they have you save, which if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see they want you to save like this. So A2_1 stands for activity 2.1. Then you put the name of the file and then an underscore and your last name. So you'll do that for rock, paper, scissors, and then you're going to build Compass, which again you'll do as a new project, and you'll just copy my coding here in order to create that file. Now something you'll want to notice is to get this degrees as a choice, you have to go to the variable drawer and actually make a variable called degrees, and then you will have it as a choice to build this program. So I'm going to open that one for you real quick on mine. Here's my Compass one. And what you're going to notice as soon as it loads is you can see the compass direction up here. In order to test this program, this is how you change the direction of the compass. Okay. So if you look at our coding here, it tells you if the degrees is less than 45, it's going to be north. If it's less than 135, east, and so on. So right now I'm at 253, so it's showing south. Okay. So that's how you test it to make sure it's right. Okay. Some of these, because it's using the less than, obviously 45 is less than 35. So these two would be showing up. Sometimes you'll see two directions showing up at the same time, blinking between the two, like this is doing west and east right now because I'm at 84. And that's fine. It's not a problem. We will talk about that when I get back and we actually test it with the microbits. All right, so once you finish that, be sure and save it as instructed with the name, because you're going to turn both of those in at the end of the hour. So then just scroll on down. You're going to read this section about alligator clips and pay particular attention here. This is going to explain some of the pins and also our power supply. And then it's going to talk about digital and analog devices. This is super important, so make sure you read this very carefully. And it should be quiet in here so people can read. Okay, and then note here that whenever we get out our microbits and start connecting things, super important that you never, ever, ever connect the 3-volt and the ground together, okay, because that can ruin the board. So you're going to continue to read. And when you get down here to number 24, they have you build an input test program. So you're going to build this program. Obviously, you're going to save it as they have you do, which is A2_1_ input test _ your last name. Okay. So that's what you're going to do today. You'll have 3 make code files to turn in on or by the end of the hour. If you finish and you still have time left, any makeup work you have to do for me, do that. And then, of course, you always have code.org stuff to do. So I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow on Friday. Have a great day.